Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got black eyed peas just for you guys on New Year's Day. Okay, but I have a little bit surprise, okay? So I couldn't find fresh black eyed peas, so I'm using frozen, and we're gonna make these taste authentic, okay? So we got the frozen black eyed peas, a bell pepper, onion, jalapeno, my special seasoning, chicken broth, black pepper, ground cumin, and a smoked neck bone. So we're just going to go ahead and place the neck bone and submerge it in chicken broth. You want to make sure you cover the whole neck bone with chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can use water with a chicken bouillon cube. It's up to you. So just make sure you cover the whole neck bone so the meat can start falling off the bone. Now I'm going to go ahead and start chopping up my veggies. I'm just going to chop up the jalapeno and the bell pepper, and I already have some chopped up onions, so I don't have to chop those. So I'm not even going to use this whole half of bell pepper. I'm using more like 3/4 of the bell pepper, and I'm going to cut it and dice it into small cubes. For my smoked neck bone, I make sure the heat is on high, and I'm just going to go ahead and add the veggies. I'm going to add my chopped onions, and if you can find these chopped onions in the store, it is a lifesaver. And I'm going to go ahead and add the bell pepper as well. We're going to add the jalapeno at the end. Neck bone has been cooking for about 20 minutes, and I'm just trying to help the meat come off the bone. You guys are more than welcome to do that, because with the smoked meat, it's really hard for the meat to come off the bone. So take it out, chop it up, and place it back in the beef broth. Now the neck bone has been cooking for about 35 minutes, and as you can see, the meat is off the bone and the beef broth has submerged to a little bit of nothing. But you don't want a lot of liquid in your black eyed peas, so the longer you cook the neck bone, the more the beef broth will disappear. So I'm going to go ahead and stir that up and season the black eyed peas now. I'm going to use my special seasoning. I will leave a card on the top so you can see what's in it. And some ground cumin, black pepper, and I added cayenne pepper to mine. And this is where you want to add the jalapeno. Okay, so you can leave your black eyed peas whole, but I smashed mine a little bit, but this is going to make the liquid get a little thicker. And I tried to smash it in just one area, but I want to leave a lot of whole beans. So I just tried to focus on one area to smash and then stir it up, and you'll see how thick it gets. So you see how thick it got? Yes, and this is exactly what you want. You do not have to smash them if you don't want to. If you want to leave it whole black eyed peas with watery liquid, that's on you. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and plate, and then we're gonna go ahead and garnish, and that's it, you guys. Quick and easy black eyed peas within an hour. I didn't have to soak no beans overnight. I didn't have to pull out the dead beans and the rocks. you know, just a real quick and easy meal for New Year's Eve to bring you guys some luck and prosperity. And Happy New Year to you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Love you guys. Bye.